Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Let's begin the video. What are we going to do in the video is really simple. Create 4 average calculator, 5 digit, 4 digit, 3 digit, 2 digit and 1 digit. 4 average calculators. And they would be interconnected. Not to confuse you with my oral explanation, let me give you a very quick preview. So, let me see, this was some testing that I was running on it. Let's start by reloading it. My first number is 12, then 123, 124, 125 and then 126. Average is 102, like I said. So now we're going to calculate the average. So it should be 12. So how do we calculate average? The sum of the numbers divided by the count of the numbers. So the sum of the numbers 1 2 3 1 2 4 1 2 5 1 2 okay, sorry, my bad. 1 2 3 plus 1 2 4 plus 1 2 5 plus 1 2 6. What is it equal to? Oh, sorry. What is it equal to? It's equal to 510, and then 510 divided by 5, which is the count of the numbers, is equal to 102. That means our average is correct. So now there was this alert at the end. What is the alert? It asked you to do something. So there was an alert. You can check the link in the console for a 4-digit average calculator. For the preview, I just created a 5-digit and a 4-digit like that. With that code, we're going to create the 2-digit and the 3-digit too, which would be whose link would be in the console. So let's just get the link. What is the first number? 12, then 123, then 124, then 125. The average is 96. Let's check that out. Okay, we're going to just clear everything and let's check that out. 12 plus 123 plus 124 plus 125 is equals to this divided by 4, which is equals to 96. That means our average is correct. So let's get inside the video, guys, without any further ado. So as I told you all, I just organized. So we're going to be creating a new folder in this, which is going to be inside the into textual JavaScript work, a new folder which is going to be average calculators. Okay, and inside this folder we're going to add first one project. The project is gonna be average 5, not a folder, my bad, not a folder, that was actually my bad, not this. I just created a folder. I have to create a project inside this folder. So let's create a project. This is going to be average5.html, and then inside the same we're going to create average5.javascript. So first of all, let's add the emmet abbreviation doc, and then let's give it a title, 5-digit average calculator. Okay, like 5-digit average calculator. And in the body we're going to be writing the script source, which is going to be average5.javascript. And let's get inside the JavaScript coding, guys. Let's start. First of all, we would need an alert. Hey fellow user, welcome to the 54321A project. 54321 54321 average. This is my name. I'm giving it this creative name. If you don't want this name, you can change the name, and you can change anything that we write inside the alert too. It's not that it would be wrong. And let's see. Now let me tell you first what the alert do. The alert asks the user something. So let's start. Now we're going to be adding this. So let us begin. So let us begin. And then let's add alert. And then what is your, no, not an alert, now it's going to be a prompt. So what does a prompt do? It just asks the user something, and we can also store whatever the user answers inside a variable. How do we declare a variable? Variable plus the variable name, so variable num1. This is how you can declare one variable, and then add this is equal to sign to add a value to it. So what is your first number, and then a question mark and this. Okay, and then now we're going to be adding 4 more variables like that. So we're going to be changing the lines, so don't worry. Yep. So let's see. First of all, let's declare these variables. No, one more. We need one more. Yes, this is it. Num1, num2, num3, num4, and num5. Okay. My bad. Num5. Okay. So yes, now we're going to change the digits. Like first it should be second in the num2, then third in the num3, fourth in the num4, and fifth in the num5. Okay, simply that. This, and they would be stored in a variable. So now this is going to be easy. After this, we're going to be this variable result, and then its value would be this number. Okay, and number num1. So guys, let me tell you why are we adding this number and the name of the variable inside a bracket. So when I did this without this, what exactly was happening is that the computer was assuming that the number is a string, and so when we added it, it was putting it one after another. So let me show that to you for your understanding. Num1 plus num2, and then let's see, I'm just going to show that to you. Alert result. So now let me show it to you all. Let's open up our project into Textual JavaScript work, average calculators, average 5. Okay, first of all, let us save everything, then only it would work. Yes, now let's see. Hey fellow user, welcome to the 54321A project. So let us begin. What is the first number? 1, 2. See, the alert was coming as 2. Let me reload and tell you again. See, 12. And when we add number after it, let me show you. Number over here and num1 plus number num2, then it would come as 3. 1 2, this 3. So that's why we have to add the number, so that the computer would know that this is a number, not anything else. Now number num3, and after that added addition of number num4 plus number num5 divided by 5. So now, for now, let's not keep it this as a alert. It should be document.write, so that our page would look better and professional. So let's see result, document.write result, and before that also we're going to be writing the average is equal to like that, and then we're going to add a plus sign, and this is going to be it. Sorry for the interruption. Let's start again. Document.write the average is equals to result. So let's just take a preview of this if it is correct, and then we're going to check the answer. For now, we're going to take very simple digits 1 2 3 4 5. The average is 11. The average is actually not 11, so what should we do is put these two in a bracket like this, so that it would work better. Okay, now let's save it and redo it. 1 2 3 4 5, and the average is 3. So why did we put it in a bracket? Because now, as you know, when we do multiple digits, we put it in a bracket. That's the BOD mass rule. Bracket, open, division, multiplication, subtraction. No, sorry. Division, multiplication, addition, and subtraction. That is the BOD mass rule. So when we put it in the bracket, then it creates a number that would be divided by 5, or else the computer is not able to recognize it. So let's check if our average is correct or not. 1 plus 2 plus 3, no, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5, enter, is 15. 15 divided by 3 is equals to 5. 15 divided by 5, sorry. If we take out 15 divided by 5, so we need to replace the 3 by 5. So let's do that again, really sorry. Is equals to, really sorry guys, I'm just going to pause and do let's do it. Wait a sec, last time, let's try that. Sorry for the interruption, sorry for this disturbing, really sorry. Let's start. So 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus, no, not, plus 4 plus 5 is equals to 15, which is going to be divided by 5, which is equals to 3. That is correct, and our average is 3, which is very, very correct. So this is going to be the thing. So let's copy paste this in all of the others, or yes, so that it would be easier, or else it would waste a lot of time. So what do we need to do is just press Ctrl and select all of these average 5 HTML, and then Ctrl C and Ctrl V, and all of like that. So these copy 2, copy 3, copy 5, this copy 3, we have got rename them. Now this average 5 copy dot JavaScript is going to be is going to be average 4.javascript, and this average 5 copy.html is going to be average 4.html, and then the copy 2 is going to be average 3.html, and the JavaScript file is going to be average 3.javascript. Now the last for the 2-digit ones, which is going to be average 2.html, and over here no wait, we did one extra, didn't we? Average 2.html, average 3.html, average. Okay, so we don't have the average 2.html. Okay, we have that. We don't have the JavaScript file. The JavaScript. Yes, we don't have the average to JavaScript. So let's just connect them. Average 2, average 3, and then average 4. Right, like that. Average 2.html will have average 2.javascript, average 3.html would have average 3.javascript, average 4.html would be average 4.javascript, and as we did in the average 5.html, it would be average 5.javascript. I'm really sorry. So let's start the deleting, not coding. So in this, we gotta take these two out from here because it's a 2 number, so it would just ask. It is a 2-digit one, so it will just ask 2 prompt, and then we want to take these 2 out from the bracket like this, and then instead of 5 it should be divided by 2 because that's a 2-digit average calculator. Over here we have to just remain with the variable 1, 2 and 3, and then we gotta take these out of the bracket like that, and then it's gonna be 3, and then over here we just need to take out the number 5 variable, and then we want to just take this out and then divide it by 4. Okay, now we have to connect them in a sense, add their links in the console. So let's start. First, we're going to start with the average 5.javascript. Let me quickly open all of our average 2, 3, 4, 5 .html files, and then I'm going to get back. And yes, before that, we have to rename them. Rename the HTML file. Instead of 5-digit, it should be 2-digit, and over here it should be 3-digit. Over here it should be 4-digit. Yes, now let's save it and let me open all of them now. So guys, I just opened all of them right here. I think I gave you the instructions of how to do it, but let me do that again. Control O on any browser page, and then you can choose them if you have organized them, or you can choose them from your folder if you have created it. Let's now code it, baby. So first of all, let's take a look at the average 5.javascript. We need 1, 2, 3. So now the console.log link to the 4-digit average calculator later, and then we are gonna have to copy paste the link. So let's do it. Copy for the 4-digit average calculator, paste, It's gonna be really big, but don't worry, it would be fine. So just make sure that you have created the inverted commas and close the bracket. Let's now add again console.log link to the 3-digit average calculator, and then we're gonna copy paste the link again of this like this, and then the last 2-digit average calculator, the console.log link to the 2-digit average calculator, which is equal to, not equal to, just a dash, and let's just copy paste the link, 2-digit average calculator, and over here let's paste it. Let's paste it. And now we want to add a new alert that you can find the link to the 4, 3 and 2-digit average calculators, like that. Okay, you can find the link to the 4, 3 and 2-digit average calculators, like that. Okay, and now we gotta do the same on the 4-digit, 3-digit and 2-digit. So let me just rush it up and do it, and then I'll see you guys when I've completed it. You also do it, guys, and then let's meet again too. So guys, it's all done. I have done it. You can also do it, and then you can pause the video and do it, and then you can see how our average calculators look like. So let's get started, guys. We're just not going to take out the 5-digit average calculator. I just took it out. I'm just going to open that up. So this is, hello fellow user, welcome to the 54321A project. So let us begin. What is your first number? 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5. The average is 11.2. My bad, I just added 45 instead of 4. So we're gonna have to do the working again for you all to see. So ready, steady, go. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4, 5 plus 5 divided by 5, 11.2, which actually is our answer right here. So that means the answer is correct. Now let's go to the inspect option, and beforehand we have to save it. I just did not remember, but every time when you do some change in your work, then you always have to save it. Now let's see. The link is inside here. So these are the link to the 4-digit average calculator, 3-digit average calculator, and 2-digit average calculator. So let's see the 4-digit average calculator right now. 1, 2, 3, 4. The average is 2.5. Let's check that out. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 divided by 4. 2.5. Correct. Now let's check if the links are correct. Link to the 5, 3, 2. Okay, now let's check out 3. Hello fellow user. So let us begin. 1, 2, 3. The average is equals to 2. Let's check that out. 1 plus 2 plus 3 divided by 3 is equals to 2, which is correct, guys. Yes. Now let's check out our last average calculator, and Yeah, the console, the links 542. Let's check out the 2-digit average calculator. 1, 2. The average is 1.5, and that is correct. That is very obvious, but I'm going to show you the working. Then 2. 1.5. So guys, right like this, you can see everything that we created is flawless and correct. You can always, and I'm repeating it in every video almost, always change the element except the code. The code has to remain the same, but inside this, so you can add you can add any funky text or any formal text or anything you want. You can change the name of our project too, but yes, I got one more idea. So we're going to do this idea right here, but guys, if you don't want to see this, you can just leave the video and end the whole thing right now. But for those who want to see my idea, let's just get into the video. So guys, in this average calculators, what we want to do is add in project parent.html and parent.javascript. Okay, so in the parent.html, you got a white doc. You can change the name every time, and let's change the name to 45, the name of your project. So the project of my name is 4. The name of my project is 54321 1A project. So now the script source is going to be parent.javascript. Let's code. It's going to be really easy. It's a very easy code. Let's start the coding. Alert, welcome to the center of the 54321A. So guys, what exactly is my idea is that in this there would be the link to all of our average calculators, so people don't actually have to just open the 5-digit average calculator and do it, or 4-digit or 3-digit. So you would have a complete list of all our projects that we created in the 54321A project, or the name of our project, whatever. So let's start now. Alert, please check the console for yes, what should we write right there? Let's see. Please check the console for the links to all our 54321A projects. Yes, like that. And then we want some console.logs. So first of all, 5, 4 and 3. Where will we find that? We will find that over here. 5, 4 and 3. Control C. And then over here in the parent.javascript, Control V. We would have like that. Now we just need 2 more console.logs. Let's get that. Now we need the 2-digit and 3. No, we just need 2. Yeah, I think we just need 2 now. Let's check. Yes, I think JavaScript. Yes, we now just need the link to the 2-digit average calculator, which we have already written because we have completed the video, obviously, so you would have written. And let's close the bracket. I don't know why didn't I copy it successfully. It wouldn't have copied the whole thing. Let's now save the whole thing, this, and let's open it up. Control O, and then the parent. Welcome to the center of the 45321A. Please check the console for the links to all our 54321A projects. Let's check the console, and they're there. So guys, this was my idea. I'll see you guys in the next video, where I don't have actually decided what to make yet, but I'll just inform you guys. Please check the website of mine. The link is in the description. I'll upload whatever I want inside the blog. So let's end this video. Please take a look at my website. I'll as soon as possible add all of the details of our videos inside our blog and what I am up to. So please check that. I'm requesting you, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Please subscribe, share, and like my video. Bye.